This is a fascinating story about my two friends John and Susie and how they invest in the stock market. A story about avoiding losses, about some good profits and some much better profits. Listen till the end. It will only take a couple of minutes and you'll hear something that may radically change the way you look at the markets. Okay, I watched my friend John, who's been a good boy, that is, a good buy and hold investor. In August 1992, exactly 20 years ago, he put $10,000 in the S&P 500 and didn't touch that account ever since. In the 20 years that followed, until this past Friday, that initial investment grew to $32,906 for a profit of just about 230%. John stuck to his guns, stayed with it through thick and thin, and that, as you know, was quite a ride, and now he rightfully feels good about that. Except last night he met with Susie after a long time and was quite shocked when he heard what she did. Susie invested $10,000 also in the S&P 500 at the same time as John did. But she knew how to follow market trends and occasionally changed her portfolio to follow what the market was doing. No guesses, no black magic, no sleepless nights and hysterical sweats. She just knowingly listened to the markets and followed its lead. When the market was bullish, she stayed long. When it was bearish, she shorted it. Translated like this: when the market was up, she gained. When the market was down, not only did she avoid the major losses that so many investors suffered in 2000 to 2002 and then again in 2008, times that are still very painful, open wounds for many. To her, those bearish times turned into opportunities for further substantial gains. In these 20 years, she ran 9 transactions, which is not a big deal on anybody's account, but her initial $10,000 grew to $239,648 and change for a fabulous 2,296% profit. Which way do you like better? Gaining $22,900 in 20 years or $229,648? 230% or 2,296% in the same period. That's a 10 times bigger profit. The great news is that you can actually implement the very simple techniques we'd like to share with you and enjoy results of this caliber. You'll know what the trends are in all key markets, which stocks or ETFs are best positions to deliver the strongest results, and how to structure your positions to benefit from the gains and totally control risk. Think about how many more toys you'll be able to afford when the time comes to cash in. That's the difference between survival and substantial prosperity for you and your loved ones. Join us in this exciting quest. Together we'll always know what the key markets are doing, traditional equity markets, as well as energy, metals, international and commodities markets. We'll see how to build a truly diversified portfolio utilizing extremely popular, very liquid, super accessible stocks and ETFs like the Spiders and iShares. You'll be able to leave the benchmark in the dust consistently. Better yet, you'll know how to reliably control unnecessary risk and avoid catastrophes which you are exposed to if you do not control these techniques. And no, you don't need to be a rocket scientist to do this either. You'll receive real-time notification of all significant changes in the markets and signals that you can pass to your broker for easy implementation. Before you know it, you'll be building a diversified portfolio fully synchronized to the most profitable opportunities and will be enjoying unprecedented results. You can join us risk-free. There will be no charge in the first 30 days when you can experience the thrill of positioning yourself correctly with the markets and start reaping powerful profits that will become routine for you. Which way is it going to be? Will you rather have mediocre profits while you endure incredible volatility, or major, consistent profits that you didn't think were well within your reach? Join us risk-free, no charge in the first 30 days, then a very low $79 a month, not even as much as a coffee a day, for truly massive profits. This is definitely easier than you thought. You can recover past losses and boost performance to the highest levels. Click the button below. Do it now.